Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete someone from your Discord server. So deleting normal human Discord users or Discord bots works exactly the same, so it doesn't matter if you want to kick a bot or a person. So what you need to do is you need to tap on your server name, tap this, and then tap on server settings. Here you see a lot of settings, but you need to scroll down in the sidebar until you see user management and then tap on members. Right here you see all of the members in your Discord server. I am the only one currently together with this bot. I can filter on display role. So for example on rhythm, this is another role that I have. Or I can just filter at everyone and then search for a person. Or I can just do it like this, not filtering anything. And just go to this rhythm bot and then tap on those three dots. Here I can mute him, mute the soundboard, or disable the video. And I also can change the nickname. I can manage integration, and I can kick or ban him. When I tap on kick, I can give a reason for kicking him or the bot actually. I can just type you are annoying, for example, and then you can kick this bot. Alright, so let me do it right now. Kick, kick. And now this bot is gone. You can delete this message. As you can see, now this bot is gone and it works perfectly fine without this bot. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.